Darla, thank you for taking some time to talk with us today. What has the turnout been like there for you in your part of Dallas?
The first week, I was just so surprised that over 1,000 kids came through to receive these groceries. Today was, again, just so amazing. The response is incredible. We specifically reach out to families with kids. Our families depend on the school lunches if they were in school. These kids are going to need more than just a breakfast and a lunch. These families are looking for more resources, more help, and we really focus on our children.
Now, I know people have been stressed, but I've seen some of the video coming out of that ministry, and people look really happy as they're there receiving some of the food that's come from Operation Blessing and Youth World.
These families are just so encouraged by Youth World being here and all the Operation Blessing groceries. What was so sweet, one of the moms that drove through today, she handed out the window to me a bouquet of flowers. It was just about her heart saying, thank you to all of us that are making this happen. I just thought that was so amazing.
That is wonderful, and it's a beautiful example of how grateful people are. Now, you have been serving families in need there in your part of Dallas for a number of years, but tell me a little bit about the increase in the need that you've seen lately.
You've got 4 or 5 kids in a house 24/7. They can't go to school, they can't get out, and you and I know what kids do. They eat. Just a meal here and a meal there won't take care of the need that they're having. We thank God that Operation Blessing is coming alongside us to help fulfill part of this big need.
If we could just take a second, I'd like to hear a little bit from the people on the ground there, the families you've been serving.
The children are at home all day now, and we're doing homeschool, and it's a little bit difficult. But we're grateful that we have Youth World, because we can come here and get more food for the children.
All the stores being empty and the kids needing snacks, it's been just a blessing to come here and get snacks for the kids.
And this is something that I believe you're going to continue to do throughout the rest of the school closing time?
They're counting on us to help their families and help their kids. I just know that God's bringing the resources. Thank goodness that Operation Blessing is coming through and helping us find groceries. This is a whole different thing than we've ever done before, where we've had to do drive-through. We give the moms encouragement, see how we can pray, but keeping our distance, wearing our gloves, wearing our masks, keeping everybody safe, but still meeting the needs. We couldn't do this without Operation Blessing, because we're making over 1,000 bags every week. And how long are we going to need to do this before the kids can get back in school? The police are coming up and helping direct traffic. They know this community and they know the need, and they're just so grateful that Youth World has stepped up and taken this task on.
And I'm here helping out with Operation Blessing, making sure that our families are filled with food. We know that there's a virus out there, but God didn't say not to love and not to do what is right by people. And I just thank God.
And again, I want to take just a second to hear a little bit from some of the people there on the ground, some of the recipients, and what their reaction's been today.
It's helpful for not just me and my family, but everyone else around in the community that needs it.
The groceries are a blessing because the grocery store's packed. They lacking meat, so these people up here, fine people, have brought us some food and some comfort to the kids and make sure their bellies are full.
We love the food.
Darla, as you know, being in the kind of ministry that you're in, what we do or what Operation Blessing does is really only possible because of the support of donors. If you could talk to the donors who helped make this distribution possible, what would you want to say to them?
A great big thank you. This takes donors, it takes partners, it takes support to make this happen. And it's not just about the grocery bag, it's about these kids. Every time that I see a car full of kids come by and receive these groceries, it reminds me why we're doing this and why we're asking big and why you're so generously given, because you are keeping them going through this devastating time. You're keeping little lives going. It means so much.
Wonderful. It has been great talking to you, Darla. I pray that God will bless you, bless the ministry, and keep everyone safe, from the people on the ground serving those in need to the recipients. Thanks again for joining us.
Thank you so much.